Hey guys, Courtney Cole here. Thanks so much for swinging by my channel today. Today is a bright and sunny day on August 20th, 2014, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time. What you see up here on the screen are some testimonials, just for those who are just visiting for the first time. This is Cole's Credit Repair. I'm a credit repair specialist, debt specialist. I specialize in debt elimination. And I'm on my testimonials page right now. And it's very interesting because we've got a variety of testimonials here that basically have all different kinds of things that they wanted to report on this page. And we've got people, my clients, who have not only done the do-it-yourself credit repair, but they've also participated in my business class, which explains the credit repair. And we have a business class coming up here on September 11th. All right, so we're really excited for the last one of the year for you guys to be in profit by the holidays. So if you guys are interested, it is via webinar live 4 times a month, once a week, for 2 hours, 8 hours total, starting September 11th at 8 Eastern Time. And I am very happy to offer this business class to you all, and I will go into more details here in a second. But I just want to take you to my website, colescreditrepair.ws testimonials. Frank Rodriguez had left a testimonial in regards to the business class, saying that he, was thinking about doing the business for a while and finally did it, and sent out his results, and very pleased with what he learned in the class. So congratulations, Frank. Lance had left a message in regards to the business class and got really good results on his first round of letters on August 7, 2014. And Joshua Burks here talks about the business class and feels empowered. That was left on July 30th. Danina got some really good results as well and took the class. So for those who are interested in checking this out, please do. And also you can click on their names to get their email addresses to email everybody to check it out. So be sure to go to this page when you can, and the link will be posted below this email. Alright, so the reason why I am broadcasting today is to mention the specials that I have going on through October 15th. These are the late summer specials. I had a lot going on this summer, so I couldn't post any specials during that time, and they had stopped at June 15th. So we resume here August 20th, 2014. They do end on October 15th, 2014. All right. So here's a little bit of some detail as to what is going on with these specials and the new updates here. This is the colescreditrepair1@gmail.com email address to contact me for any questions or information that you may need. And of course you can ask for a copy of this. All right. For those watching this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to it, so you can get the very latest updates, alright? Because every time that I post a video, it'll get emailed to your inbox, alright? Okay, so the new do-it-yourself student loan third-party debt collector package. This letter is extremely powerful. Did you know that by law, the debt collectors have to stop contacting you and halt any claims against you? That's any summons. If you received a summons, that is from a third-party debt collector. That is somebody that you have no contract with, that they have no business bugging you, and it's an invitation to do business, all right? It's up to you whether you want to do business with them or not, okay? It's a choice. It's not something that you have to participate in, and you guys need to educate yourself, all right? You've got to educate yourself as to what to do when these things happen, okay? And that's what this letter is for. And usually what goes with it is a debt verification, okay? And then you give them notice as far as how long they have to respond. All right, so $250 for this. Normally I charge $500 for it. You must be at least 180 days in default, okay, with the account in order to use this package. And it's very simple to follow. I have a template laid out. Everything is highlighted on the letter for you to fill in the blanks and send it in to the debt collector, and you're done. All right, very simple to do. You can basically send this letter out over and over and over again to all the accounts on your credit report, to all the letters that you've received in the mail, and so forth. Okay, so very, very, very important that you guys answer these letters. All right. For those who purchase my full sweep service, which is the credit repair that includes you getting all your letters done by me, 3 months service, all right, includes removing all derogatory accounts, disputing all derogatory accounts, and updating the credit file by removing those old addresses, old employment, and so forth. Credit inquiries hurt your score. They're worth 3 points each. If you remove those, you gain 3 points. So the full sweep service is on sale for $500. With immediate payment, you do get the free second Social Security number package, where you can order that through the mail to the Social Security Administration and request it to get that to do what you need with it. All right. So here are the here's the link to the let's see, click here now to get the latest free debt elimination advice and specials. That is my YouTube channel, Close Credit Repair 1. Here's a testimonial here for you guys to check out. And this is actually what you're seeing is this is the letter that I did in an email to all of my clients and prospective clients. Here, so obviously you can't click on the links, but you can request a copy to do so. Okay, the testimonials, by the way, we have many, many, many video testimonials. A couple are posted on my website. Some are also in the video playlist, and they're in the testimonial playlist as well. You can also look for me on Google and become part of my Google page and find them there. Okay, something new that I did not post on a video before that I'm going to post in the information below is my credit repair forum. This forum is created for those who want to comment any questions, add any information, and introduce themselves here for all those who have credit needs. It is a great place to collaborate and to help each other as well for those things, questions you may have. We have probably over 100 participants in this forum. Feel free to go ahead and join for free and check out the people there. Okay. All right. So the big event going on here to date is my new credit repair business class. This is going to be the last one of the year. I have had 2 this year, and normally I have 2 a year, but I'm trying to have the business class every quarter, every 3 months. Okay, so then I don't know when the next one will be actually, but it will not be this year. So if you want to start in September, I would say by December you would be ready to take clients and start getting money in for the holidays, guys. This is really something you want to think about, and also to help people who need credit repair. And you're probably wondering, why is she sharing her business with other people? Because there's a lot of people that need help, and I certainly can't handle it all. No one person can handle it all. Okay, so I'm kind of sharing my expertise and my training. You're learning from a mentor who is a 6-figure earner like myself. I have been for the past 3 years, and hey, it's great, and I teach you exactly how to do it. All right, so if you're interested in that, $500 will get you in. The sale ends on the 29th of August, and will be $750 thereafter. All right. So this is kind of what I go over in the class. All right, and it is via webinar. Starts the 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you can't make it, of course, it'll be recorded and the link will be sent to you after the class is over so you can watch it at your leisure. All right. So what you get with a class is the business package, all right, how to get your first client in 24 hours, how to do credit repair, of course, on yourself and others, how to increase your score over 100 points, secrets to an 800 score, how to update the credit file, how to remove credit inquiries, rebuilding your credit, and so forth. All right, so absolutely make sure that you email me about that. Okay, so the main point of the video here quickly, and you guys can pause the video to read this, okay, but I'm kind of scamming over it quickly just so I can get this in a timely manner. But we have our buy 3 get 1 free $1.99 do-it-yourself packages. All of these packages are $1.99 each. If you buy 3 for $1.99, okay, just $5.97, you get the 4th package free, and that applies to all 199 do-it-yourself packages only. So you guys can see here that we offer the do-it-yourself check systems, how to rebuild credit. The summons refusal is very, very popular. How to rescind the Social Security number, all contracts, the second Social Security number, IRS elimination, traffic elimination, foreclosure elimination, and loan elimination. And you guys can read the descriptions here by pausing the video. All right. For my new credit repair sweep services, I had briefly went over this, $500 for 3 months, and of course, after your 3 months is over with, guess what? You can get free credit repair services for doing a video testimonial, okay? Also, you can get free services by referring people to me, and nobody that I know on this planet offers these opportunities to get free services, and that's what makes my company different from the rest. So you guys be sure to contact me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com. But ready to purchase in the subject line. These are the payment methods that I accept. All right, and a little bit here about the basic do-it-yourself credit repair package, which is $350, which is fantastic to get all of your derogatory counts out. I do sell the business package individually. If you don't want to attend the class, that's fine. It's at a reduced price at $400. Now this is included, all right, in the package for the business class, but if you buy it separately, you will pay an extra fee for the class. Okay. All right, so that's it. We're done, and it's a lot to cover there. So you guys be sure to email me. All right, colescreditrepair1@gmail.com to get started and change your life. Guys, these are complete life-sharing opportunities. All right, life-changing opportunities, I may say, for you guys to get involved in. And of course, if you have any questions, contact me. All right, you guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on the channel, and I'll be glad to help you. Take care.